lighting sucks so bad. I don't know how to fix it. It's just too sunny. But yeah, I'm with Artie. Oh, there we go. I'm with Artie. She's in the back. Say hello. What's up? Oh, yeah. Okay, so we're just going there. Going a little early. I'm really nervous. But it's okay. I'll be okay. It will be okay.
I have tomatoes packed in here. Me and Sin kiss. Just in case. Just in case. Throw at the balcony. Limitlessbwl. Did you hear that?
No, all in all, she's gonna kill it, guys, right?
Last time at the Swarna's dinner, Sin and her like, we're gonna bring tomatoes.
Yeah.
And then he's like, you bitches! And she's stressing me out. I'm gonna do it first.
I'm vlogging.
Like, why do they?
You guys did such an amazing job setting up. Seriously, it looks really good. Yeah. So this is the setup, guys. Like, look how neatly everything is done. So they're just setting up right now. And Alexia kind of looks nervous. She's gonna kill it. She's gonna kill it, yo. Guys, can I get a woo? Woo! No? 3, go! Yes! Guys!
We're at Alekia's Masterclass.
Oh, wow! So we're at Alekia's, Limitlessbwl Masterclass.
She's right there.
Right there greeting everybody and getting set up and everyone excited.
She's giving us dead stares.
Yeah. And these are all the people that are here. Look at how many people turned out. That's insane. Can you say something, Sumani?
We're excited. Like it's gonna kill it. And I think we're good too.
Cool. How do I? Do you have something to say?
Sorry?
Do you have something to say?
Oh my god, wait. I'm not ready for this.
Focus.
Wait, 1 second. Let me know.
Yeah, okay, there you go.
I'm so happy for you, Lucky. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for you to have your first masterclass.
Aww.
Congrats for everything, and thank you so much for doing this with us.
Aww.
My name is Janine. I'm the store manager here, and we are just so thrilled to have everyone here. It took a lot of coordinating to put this together. And we're just thrilled that the day is finally here. So I'm going to go through a couple of housekeeping things. There are beverages here, and there are some little treats in your bag. So nibble, drink. Mi casa is su casa, so have a great time tonight. I am so thrilled to introduce the lovely lady that you all know as Limitlessbwl.
I really appreciate you guys taking time out of your day, and I just want to ask a question before we get started. How many people are here to learn makeup, to do it on themselves? Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna ask this, even though it looks like it's all of you. But is there anyone here that wants to learn how to do it on others? Okay, cool. I just like to make sure so when I go. So yeah, this is Arti, my model for our first look. So we're gonna be doing something really subtle and glowy on her. And this is Thipika. She is my second model, and she's gonna go for more of my signature glam look. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Lotion. If you guys have any questions as I'm going, just feel free to ask. Okay?
You don't personal questions, but those are fun.
Yeah.
How was your wedding?
Stressful but fun. She does have dry skin, so we're just going for a really glowy look. Thipika's gonna have a glowy look
Really good job.
Do you guys have any questions?
Yeah, give it for Alexia.
Yeah.